to continue the lesson of last time, value added method numericals. We have done one method, one question that time. Now we are doing more questions, numericals. First question is calculate value added of at factor cost, net value added, NVAFC. NVAFC we have to find out. First, like I have said last time, that GVAMP. What is the formula of GVAMP? Sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Now we have to find out NVAFC. So gross to net, NVAFC is equal to GVAMP, gross value added to net value added. ग्रॉस से नेट पे जाने के लिए क्या करते हैं? माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन और कंजम्पशन ऑफ फिक्स्ड कैपिटल माइनस. नाउ एमपी टू एफसी, what can we do? माइनस एनआईटी, नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस. ठीक है. सपोज a question giving sales is 200 rupees. Okay, sales 200 plus change in stock they given us 10. Change in stock 10 minus intermediate consumption 90. Now NIT means indirect taxes minus subsidy. They have given us indirect tax and goods and service tax both. So we can include only GST, only indirect taxes. Why? Because GST is a form of indirect tax. So what is the indirect tax? 10, 12 minus 12. So let's conclude the answer. 200 plus 10. 200 plus 10. Depreciation they have not given. Okay. So 210 minus 102 is equal to 108 crore. This is the first question we solve now. Another is, if you have any problem, you can comment on my comment box. Okay, so I will try to rectify your problem. Next is NDPFC. Find out NDPFC, net domestic product. Previous problem same, so we are not going to do it. NDP is same as NVA, net value added or net domestic product are the same. Okay. Next is find the value of output. What is the value of output formula? Value of आउटपुट क्या है आपका? वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट का फॉर्मूला है सेल्स प्लस चेंज इन स्टॉक. दैट्स इट. So what is the sales given here? Here they given a sales No, they are not given us. Okay, so they are given us net value added at factor cost. Net value added at factor cost. Net value added at factor cost. Then find out the formula. Value of output. ठीक है, minus intermediate consumption minus depreciation minus NIT. This is the formula. Value of output, sales plus change in stock. Value of output we have to find out na. So they have given us value added factor cost. Net value added 250. 250 is equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. They have given us 150 minus depreciation. They have given us 30 minus NIT. Net indirect taxes. That means indirect tax minus subsidy. Indirect tax is goods and services 20, 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10. So this is the point. 250 is equal to value of output minus plus all the things 150, 180, 190. 190. So value of output is equal to transpose 250 plus 190, that means 440 crores. This is your answer. So basically these questions are very easy, but you have to identify the formula, how to find out the formula, and I told you last time formula of a particular thing. Okay, so last question we are solving today is finding out sales. How to find out sales? We can find out many things. Sales. They have given us net value added at factor cost. Net value added at factor cost. What is the formula of net value added at factor cost? Sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption minus depreciation minus NIT. Okay, so let's solve the problem. 300 NVFC sales, we have to find out, then sales plus what is change in stock. Change in stock, net addition in the stock minus 130, that means minus 20. Okay, then minus depreciation. Depreciation they have given us intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption they have given us 100 minus 100 minus depreciation. Depreciation is given by 10 minus net indirect tax. Net indirect tax means क्या होता है? Minus net indirect tax. Indirect tax minus subsidy. Indirect tax 30. 30 minus 5. Let's solve the problem. 300 is equal to sales minus minus all plus 20 120, 130, 155. So sales is equal to 300 ट्रांसपोज करेंगे साइन चेंज हो जाएगा -1 प्लस 155, so 455 crore will be answer. So today that's it for today. We will meet after 2-3 days. Okay, so practice this question. If you practice this question, it will be beneficial, very beneficial for you, because as I have earlier told you that this question may come in your examination last 2-3 years. I am continuously observing one question from this method coming frequently. So be prepared for your examination. Bye. Good day.